Hey guys, today we're gonna do, you probably know what game I'm playing, in a 767. And guys, welcome to today's video. Before we start the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm gonna find you like Moto. Wait, no, we don't need that. And in the bag, bagel. That. Okay, I think the galley is. And by the way, guys, today we are in a new plane. And also, how many subscribers do we have almost now? We almost have 350, whatever it is. Start business boarding. I don't need that. Let's just try to find the, okay, I need to serve up. And this is how many drinks there are now. Bought a few drinks for the passengers. No, I don't. Like things to drink. And they also added some updates. Like the window shades. They actually work now. Really cool, right? Look at that. But I just wanted to show you guys this plane and actually how big it is. I think there we go. One time I tried to fly this thing, like I didn't fly it, but like as I was flying, we were serving food and I couldn't like. It was like hard. It literally like I don't know how to describe it. Like kicked me out the game. Like you guys have saw. I don't know. You guys haven't saw me. No, this has happened before. And again, I broke my phone. I'll make sure to do it later, but yeah. Gosh, there's like so many, like, places to do. Oh, like, galley. Okay, well, let's just put everything away, guys. And, leave your ale away. Okay, well, let's just... I have to go help the passengers real quick. Dude! There we go. A lot of people have like... Oh, and I forgot something. That's my brother. Gosh, how many passengers? They're just like, come on, come on. Yeah, this is the last passenger with no suitcase. Let's see, By the way, they did add a new emergency, which I will tell you as of now. Well, they added a medical emergency. I actually never, if it might have been before, then it was just me, and I couldn't, like,
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
So some of the aircraft. Close that up. Get the taxi. A bit too long. Just close up these little overhead bins, because my NPC flight attendants are not gonna do it. Too lazy to. Bonk, bonk. Also, if you guys don't know, I have a friend named Dawson on Roblox. He's literally my best friend on Roblox. Well, like, he's my second. I have a lot. Well, my Roblox. But anyway, just close all of these. Like this. And gosh, my flight attendants are like literally useless right now. the hard part.
Flight attendants, please be seated
Look
for
how
takeoff.
big the 767 is. Yeah, it's gonna take me a long time to serve everybody. But that's why I'm making the video. And is the engine even on? Because it's literally just moving like a record. Not a record. Yeah, very fast. Literally. Can't let it get away. But thank you guys so much for all those subscribers. Look, I know. Forget where to check it. Okay, it does not show it there. Yeah, flight number 1. Okay.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Business class, and then we have first class. I'm gonna serve them their drinks first, like orange juice. And I'm just gonna be talking while I do it. But I don't know why it's like they also made it easy also to play like on laptops or computers.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer from the flight deck. It looks like we're going to experience some light turbulence for the next couple of minutes. At this time, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. Thank you.
I remember those. There was a baby. A baby. A baby. Gosh, it's also a little laggy now. Okay, well. Did I just finish serving first class? Yep, I just did. Okay, business class needs a little help. So, it's just economy. Economy. That's okay, fine. What you? That's fine. Wait, why is he with the business class? Like, this is economy, not business. Oh, never mind. He switched. Weird, I guess. Go away from me. And then I've played this a lot, but I will show you what it is like if you start the game or like now. Next video. I get my problems all the time. Okay, now some drinks. Guava juice. Pepsi and a little orange juice. Oh, a ginger ale or ginger ale. I don't know what it is. Ginger ale. Whatever. Okay. Going through the passenger literally. But I am actually gonna give some shout outs to some people. Not commenters, but friends only. I will start, but when I reach like 1,000, I'll actually give like comment shout outs. Comment, not comment. I don't even know what that is. But yeah, if we only reach 1,000 if we reach 1,000 subscribers before like let's see, if we reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, I will do what I just said. Give comment shout outs. Okay, that was pretty quick. Okay, my brother's downstairs. We're gonna land and then I'll end the video. That did not take way, I did before. I did never filmed any videos with like the the 757 I had. I did have.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
But yeah, they don't like get a lot of views. So yeah. But I just wanted to film a video and also because I wanted to show you that I have no first class. But I literally, this is like my second flight in this place. Oh wait, I have to do it for all classes. Flight attendants are kind of slow for some reason, except for the new, for the ones who like the one in front of me. I'm just spamming him. Happened. Why are you doing it?
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
What in the world? Oh, that's a dog. There. Of course. Whose dog is this? Whose dog is this thing? Whose dog is this? They did not show it. Whose dog is this? Whose dog is this? I have the dog in my hand. I think it was somebody here though. There we are. Okay, finally I found that. I hope I don't run into any disruptive passengers today. Or shall I say, I call them Karens, because they are. Seems kinda. Wait, what? What is it? No more passengers. What's going on? What's going on? I did not do anything bad. What's going on? Oh wait, I was in charge in first class. Gosh. I always get worried a little if they have like two needs to do. Like, for example, they need to put their seat upright and their seatbelt. But yeah, we didn't run into it. And also, why is a winglet like so big if you look over here? By the way, if you look in the top left corner, free cam! We finally had a free cam thing. Let's see, can we hit a butter? Can we hit a butter with these random pilots? I always do the CRJ cruiser because I did not buy the other one. Butter, butter, butter! Left! Gonna hit the... Why do I get the worst pilots every time now? Like, I thought they were actually good. I guess they actually know how to operate these levers. No, I can't zoom out. This is sus. Move the seat. I want to get out. It's a stupid game. They have another one, I think, over there. Yep. That's 4 flight attendants, and they still have the ones in the front. Escape taxiing. That's sus. I'm gonna take my thing real quick. Thumbnail picture. in the cockpit real quick. And Tev reviewing my new B767 and cabin crew sim. This is a good thumbnail picture because it gets like a, you know. I'm just gonna. Yep, that was a good pull thing. Well, that's okay. Oh gosh, it's really lagging out, guys. Oh wait, what? Oh my gosh! Let's go up and not to the side. That's a stupid game. I mean, it's Roblox, so I don't have to. It's kind of satisfying, but both really annoying. I don't know how. Once I finish this, I'll end the video. I probably already said that. I have to open all of them. That's annoying, really. Thanks for flying with I'm So Amazing Airlines. Yeah, I wanted to match the theme of I'm So Amazing. So that's what I did. Hopefully get a good paycheck. Max is like 2,000, but actually I hope that that we might get a bonus for finding that dude's pet dog. I don't even know who brings a dog on a plane anyway. If you can do that, then like do something. Whoa! Oh man, we didn't. We only got $1,581 for Skybucks. Especially the safety now is concerning, and the quality service at least is pretty good. Lighting. Okay guys, but that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!